So picture this, you're watching your favorite show, everything is starting to build up, you're into it. I mean, you don't want to even blink and miss anything. You're getting all excited. The scene is about to climax. What's going to happen? Nobody knows. Let's keep watching. Here we go. So we're watching, right? And you're thinking, wow, this is amazing. What is about to happen? And then all of a sudden, boom, there it is. YouTube Kids. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you how to disable this and stop this from happening in the future. It is extremely annoying and it hurts me to the core. So stay tuned, guys, and watch this video. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to make sure this doesn't happen to you. Thanks for watching. On to the video. I've been doing some looking around, and yeah, what I'm about to show you is great and it works well. But it also disables other things, such as trying to cast anything to the TV will be disabled. And if you know what I'm talking about by now, it's ChromeCast. The ChromeCast built-in feature of the shield is what allows that to happen. Now there's other ways to disable this, but if you're like me and your child holds multiple devices that has YouTube Kids, it just saves me time to disable the feature on the shield. So before I do that, I want to show you what happens. I want to show you an example of the ChromeCast effect here. So I'm on my phone. I'm going to go over to YouTube Kids. I'm going to pick it here. Alright. And you see the box with the kind of Wi-Fi looking signal or little icon. That is the cast. So I'm going to click this button, cast a shield. And as you can see on my shield, YouTube Kids. Yeah, that's pretty annoying, and it's just bad. But yeah, there's ways to disable this. At least I've heard. I haven't really tried it. So I'm going to show you how to do that on the shield. So to do that, it's really simple. This video is going to be pretty short. All you gotta do is scroll down to settings, go down to apps. Once your apps load up here, you'll find, we'll scroll down, and this right here, ChromeCast built-in. This is the devil. It can also, like I said, guys, this feature is something that I'm going to disable. I have no need for it, but just be warned, if you disable it, nothing will be able to be casted to this device. So yeah, no more interruptions of my shows this day forward. Disable. Okay. Now this is gone. I cannot cast anything to the shield. So if you disable this, again, you have been warned. So let me show you an example now when I try to cast to the shield. First, alright, so now we're going to click YouTube Kids again. Sorry for the audio. Now, as you can see, my cast icon is no longer there. And that's because it's not picking up any ChromeCast. It's not picking up anything to send this to. So even if I choose a video, and I click it, the icon is gone. It's completely gone. There's no way I can cast anything to this shield. Alright guys, yeah, so that is disabled. There's no way I can send a video to my shield. There may be other ways, but as far as using ChromeCast and YouTube Kids, it's disabled. I will not have to worry about any other kids interrupting my shows. This is a permanent solution for any device. Again, there's probably a way you can do it through the YouTube Kids app. I haven't played around enough to know. You probably can disable it if you sign in. I've seen people do that. But like I mentioned, I have too many devices and I don't feel like doing that. So the easiest way is to take care of the problem at the source instead of at the other little nodes that could cause the problem. But guys, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I just wanted to show you how to disable ChromeCast or disable your shows being interrupted by kids. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, hit that notification bell if you want to see notifications. I'm going to have plenty more coming out. I look forward to hearing back from you guys. Feel free to leave me a comment. That'd be awesome as well. And if you guys have any things you would like to see, leave that in comments as well. Also, business inquiries, I have my email, or questions. If you shoot me an email question, I'll take that as well. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Goodbye.